Getting the PS5 error code CE-117722-0, you are not alone and you have come to the right place. Let's fix it quickly so you can get back to gaming. Hey everyone, welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. In this video, we will show you step by step how to fix PS5 error CE-117722-0. Let's get started. Method 1. Change the DNS settings. Open PS5 settings, then select network, then select settings under network. Now, select setup internet connection. Choose your Wi-Fi network, then go to options and select advanced settings. Scroll down to DNS settings, select it and set it to manual. Now set the primary DNS to 8.8.8.8 and secondary DNS to 8.8.4.4. Once done, select OK. Once done, head to the network page. Now select test internet connection. You can start test and check the connection speed. Method 2. Forget the network. Sometimes this can fix temporary connectivity issues. For that, open PS5 settings, then select network, then select settings under network. Now select the setup internet connection. Select the network you are connected to, then select the forget option. Then wait for a few minutes, then connect it again. You will need to enter your network password again to reconnect. Follow as shown. Method 3. Check that firewall is not blocking the PSN connection. Next, you should check that the firewall is not blocking the PSN connection. Access your router's settings. Log into your router's control panel using your web browser. Find the section related to firewall rules or port forwarding. Verify that the following PlayStation Network ports are listed as open and allowed. If any of the required ports are blocked, you need to add a new rule to allow traffic on those ports. You can contact your internet service provider for help. Method 4. Free up storage. One of the most common reasons for the CE-117722-0 error is corrupted game files or broken data. These issues can prevent your PS5 from reading or launching applications properly. Follow these steps to check if any files are corrupted and fix them. To uninstall a game or app on PS5, open PS5 device storage, then head to console storage. Then select games and apps. Now select the problematic game or an app and select the delete option. Follow as shown to delete a game or app. Once done, relaunch the game and check. Method 5. Check PlayStation Network status. Visit the PlayStation Network status page. Check if PSN services are active and not undergoing maintenance. If the server is under maintenance, wait for some time till the server is up and live again. Method 6. Check your internet connection. You can run an internet connection test. To do that, navigate to PS5 settings. Select network, then select test internet connection. You can also connect your smartphone or PC to the same internet and go to speedtest.net to check the internet speed. You can also restart your router or modem and see if that helps. Method 7. Choose a wired connection. When you encounter a PSN error, try connecting your PS5 directly to your modem or router using an Ethernet cable. This wired connection helps establish a more stable and faster internet connection compared to Wi-Fi, which can significantly improve your online experience and may help resolve the connection issue. Method 8. Check for updates. Next, you should ensure that the PS5 is up to date. To do that, navigate to PS5 settings. Go to System, then from the System Software section, select System Software Update and Settings. Then select Update System Software and then select Update using Internet. Follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the latest update file. Wait till you get the confirmation message. Once done, check if this could resolve the issue. Method 9. Use a VPN. The next thing you can do is use a VPN to change your IP address. A VPN service allows you to create a secure connection to another network over the internet. It enables you to mask your IP address and encrypt your internet traffic, providing both privacy and security. VPNs allow you to bypass geoblocks and access content that might be restricted in your region. However, be aware that this might violate the terms of service for some games or content. Method 10. Contact PlayStation support. If the methods shown could not fix the issue, you can visit the PlayStation support page for further assistance. Follow the guide provided by the experts to fix the issue. And that's it. Those are the best ways to fix error CE-117722-0 on your PS5. We hope one of these solutions worked for you. If the video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Silicophilic for more tech guides and troubleshooting tips. Let us know your comments which method solved your issue. Your input could help others too. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next one.